What's good, my beautiful kings and queens? It's I, Wini, your favorite British Locs YouTuber. If you're oldie, welcome back to my channel. If you are a newbie, don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you continue to watch this video. It's okay, it's okay. I'll wait, go on. It will only take you a couple of seconds. Anyway, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Like I always say, like I've previously put up videos of me doing this rinses. I don't know why it's called a rinse, because I'm actually gonna soak my locks in it. I'm gonna soak it, I don't know, we'll see, maybe between 10 to 15 minutes. But yeah, I thought it's been a long time since I've done it, and right now my hair is exceptionally dirty. It's smelly. Like, the sun's out. I've been working out about 3 to 4 times a week, so you can only imagine, right? Anyway, without further ado, follow me. So for today, this is what we are going to be using. Today I'm not using the Bragg's apple cider. This is some leftover apple cider that I bought a while ago, so we're gonna use this. And we are also going to use a little bit of baking soda. Sometimes when I do this, I do like to add lemon, but unfortunately today I don't have any lemon in stock, so here we are. Okay, so the time is now 4 p.m. Keep that in mind. Great, so my apple cider vinegar rinse is done. This one was a quick one. Like I said, normally I like to do it for longer, but I don't have enough time for today. But in case this is the first time of you watching a video of mine doing an apple cider vinegar rinse, if you have locks, or even if you don't have locks, it's just a great way for you to just naturally be able to get rid of all the gunk and stuff in your hair, especially in your locks. I also find that when I do it, if there is any kind of like rubbish in my hair, it does kind of bring it to the surface so that I can just gently just kind of brush it out. But more so, I just do it just to make sure that it's penetrating my locks so that it's nice and clean. Obviously, the longer you can do your apple cider vinegar rinse or soak for, the better it is for your hair. However, I'm going to show you the color of my vinegar rinse, even though I just did it for a quick 10 minutes, so that you just have a rough idea. Great, so this is the color left. So as you can see, my locks were dirty, and if I had done it for longer than 10 minutes, I'm pretty sure that the color would probably be much darker. In terms of apple cider vinegar brands, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, for me, Bragg's I find is the best. However, I did go for this one because I think at the time I didn't have money and it was the cheapest I could find on eBay. my camera's not capturing it well, but you have previously seen me show it before. It is basically called Pure Source Nutrition's Apple Cider Vinegar with the mother. Any apple cider vinegar brand that I always use, it always has to be the one with the mother, because that's got all the good bits and pieces in it basically, and I just think it's the best to use. So yeah, there we are. That's just like, maybe if you're in a rush like myself and you just want to do a quick soak with your locks, that was a semi demonstration. Obviously I couldn't film it all because I was very scared about my camera just dropping down, falling and breaking, and it's hell of expensive, so I didn't want that to happen. Generally speaking, I think an apple cider vinegar rinse, I do it 1 to 2 times a year. It depends. It's something that I don't do often, but yeah, there we are. Hopefully you loved this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm just gonna go and give my hair a wash with a twist, which I will also upload in a couple of days time after I've put this one out. But until my next video, you make sure that you're good. See ya.